8 effective strategies to capture her heart and build lasting love. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we're delving into the enchanting realm of love and relationships. If you've ever pondered how to make her fall head over heels for you, you've come to the right place. Trust us, this is the kind of knowledge that can transform your love life from ordinary to extraordinary. In this video, we'll be sharing valuable tips and insights on how to capture her heart and create a deep bond of love. So, let's get started. 1. Nurture a strong connection. Building a strong connection is vital in laying the foundation for a lasting relationship. Spend quality time together and engage in meaningful conversations. Show genuine interest in her life by asking questions and actively listening to her responses. Share your thoughts, experiences, and emotions to foster a deeper connection. 2. Embrace your authentic self. Being genuine and true to yourself is crucial when trying to make someone fall in love with you. Don't pretend to be someone you're not or put on a facade to impress her. Show her your authentic qualities, interests, and hobbies. When you're genuine, you create a space for trust and vulnerability to flourish. 3. Master the art of listening. Being a good listener is essential in building a strong emotional connection. Give her your full attention when she's speaking, maintain eye contact, and respond to show that you're actively engaged in the conversation. Reflect on what she's saying and ask follow-up questions to demonstrate that you genuinely care about her thoughts and feelings. 4. Small gestures and acts of kindness. Little gestures can leave a lasting impression and make her feel cherished. Surprise her with thoughtful acts of kindness that show you've been paying attention to her likes and preferences. It could be as simple as bringing her favorite coffee in the morning or leaving little love notes for her to find throughout the day. For example, surprise her with tickets to see her favorite band or artist in concert. 5. Support and encouragement. Support her dreams and aspirations. Be her biggest cheerleader and believe in her abilities. Encourage her to pursue her goals and be there to celebrate her successes. Offer a shoulder to lean on during challenging times and provide emotional support. By being a source of encouragement, you create a strong bond of trust and support. 6. Respect boundaries. Respecting her boundaries is crucial in any relationship. Give her the space she needs both physically and emotionally. Understand that everyone has their own pace when it comes to falling in love. Don't rush the process or try to force feelings. Allow the relationship to grow naturally and let her know that her boundaries are important and respected. 7. Patience and understanding. Love takes time, and it's essential to be patient. Don't expect instant results or try to accelerate the process. Understand that everyone has their own journey when it comes to love. Comprehend her emotions and needs, and offer your support along the way. Patience and understanding are key to building a strong and lasting connection. 8. Be yourself and stay confident. The most important aspect of making someone fall in love with you is being yourself and staying confident. Embrace your unique qualities and let them shine. Believe in your own worth and know that you have a lot to offer in a relationship. Confidence is attractive and will draw her towards you. Remember, you are deserving of love just as you are. Love is a beautiful journey that requires effort and understanding. Remember that love can't be forced, but by following these tips, you can create a strong foundation for a loving relationship. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.